Cotton. Imported. Stage 1. The SwaddleMe Pod is within Stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Pods are made out of soft fabric, 93% cotton, 7% spandex, for ultimate comfort. Plus, these baby swaddles are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. Plus, the two-way zipper makes nighttime diaper changes a breeze. Size newborn. The SwaddleMe Pod in newborn size fits 0 to 2 months, 5 to 12 pounds, up to 26 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This pod swaddle is for babies in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to Stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Great sleep. These are a great alternative for the Velcro swaddles. Our little one really struggled with the swaddles. These little sleep sacks are great. His arms aren't pinned down, but it keeps him contained so he doesn't wake himself up with his hand reflexes. They are one of the most reasonably priced options I found. Give them a couple tries. He didn't care for it the first night, but after the second or third time he got used to them.